Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to start the video off with a little beat on, just so that you can kind of get a feel for what we're doing today. I wanted to just get glam and do something really fun, and I haven't done a little halo eye in a little minute. So if you want to see me transform my face into this masterpiece, then just keep on watching. We're going to start off with the Power Duo, the Farsali Unicorn Essence and Skin Tune Blur. We're going to get this hair nice and pinned up and out of the way so that we can do a little foundation. I'm going to take 2 pumps of my Too Faced Born This Way on this little palette, and then I'm going to take a pump or so of the Becca Aqualuminous foundation, and I'm going to mix them. And I'm using a Sigma foundation brush just to kind of initially put it on. I can kind of like blend it into my facial hair a little bit better. And then I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and tap it into place. That combo though is just so good. Now I'm gonna take my foundation stick in Chestnut from ABH, and we're gonna get this face snatched up. I'm using a Real Technique sponge. This is probably one of the softest sponges that I've ever purchased. Now I just spritzed my sponge. This is the Morphe Contour Sponge. And I'm gonna use the straight edge to blend out this contour. Now I'm going to take some ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 12. We're just going to give our skin some highlights. Now I'm going to set with some Maybelline Superstay powder. I'm just going to set the bronzy areas with my ABH Fawn Bronzer. We're going to take some peachy pink blushes. This is not the right one. We are going to take Pink Passion, and we're just going to mix the lightest one and this more berry color. And we're going to kind of give ourselves like a more 80s feel and go up to the temples with the blush. Now I'm going to prime my eyes with some Primer Potion from Urban Decay. I'm going to start off with a berry color from the Morphe and James Charles palette. I think we're going to do a halo eye. So we're going to pack that on the inner and outer corners. Now I'm going to take this Jelly Much shadow from ColourPop. This is in the shade Origami. Now I'm going to take some black eyeshadow on a little tiny brush and kind of blend these together. just gonna jump back into that first shade and go kind of over the black. Now I'm gonna do the lower lash line. And dip back into the Jelly Much shadow and put that like in the center. Now I'm gonna take my Jeffree Star lipstick in the shade Scandal. How fitting. Now I'm gonna take some Laura Geller highlight in Gilded Honey. And we're really gonna just bring the gold back in to this look. Now I'm gonna go do my brows with my ABH Dip Brow Gel and the Brow Wiz in Ebony, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna finish it off with a little Morphe Continuous Mist. Okay, well, it looks like we just ran out. Now I'm gonna quickly pop on some NARS Climax Mascara and a little Lily Lash, and I'll be right back. And we're back. This is the final look. I'm gonna let this hair down. And I am living for this. You know I live for a good Lily Lash and a bold moment. And these colors are just giving me so much life. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave me a little thumbs up, hit that like, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, don't forget to follow me on my socials, and I will see you on the next one.